Interspecific interaction. It is basically of two types: the positive interaction and the negative interaction. The positive interaction in which both the organisms are benefited. It includes the symbiotic, the commensalism, proto-cooperation. The last one is the scavenging. Scavenging means the cleaner up the street. The negative interaction in which one or both the partners are harmed or adverse effect. It is of three types: predators, parasites, and the competition. First of all, positive interaction. Positive interaction means it is also known as it includes the symbiosis, also called the mutualism, the association between the two dissimilar organisms, in which both the partner are benefited. They may or may not be physically close with each other, and the close physical association is termed as one is the mutualism is functional association. Mutualism is of two types. The one is the obligate, the second one is the facultative. Obligate means true. Facultative means false. Obligate, both the species are completely dependent on each other. It is referred as symbiosis, and this association is permanent. The facultative means both the species survive without each other. And it is termed as the proto-cooperation. There is the example of the symbiosis. Few examples. The one is the lichen. Lichen is the symbiotic association between the algae and fungi, in which algae manufacture the food material and the fungi which protect the algae and absorb the moisture. And the association of the two dissimilar organisms is known as the lichen. The second example is the fungi provides moisture, minerals, and is strongly attached to the algae. Legume is a plant, and the rhizobium is a bacteria, and there is an association between the rhizobium and the root of the legume. The nodules are produced. The nodules containing the rhizobium, a symbiotic bacteria. Here the diagram we can show, and the bacteria fixes the atmospheric nitrogen, and and the plant give the shelter and the food to the bacteria. Third example is the mycorrhiza. Myco means fungi, rhiza means root. And here is the association between the two dissimilar organisms, in which the one partner is the fungi and the other one is the root of the higher plant. The plant provides carbohydrate, vitamins to the fungi, and fungi helps in absorption and minerals from the soil. Third example is the Slinktata and algae relationship. Here the unicellular algae, that is the chlorella, it is one of the important algae and lives within the gastrodermal cells of the hydra, because the body wall of the hydra consists of the two layers, and the chlorella is present on the inner surface, or we can say the gastrodermal cells. Hydra provides shelter and CO2 to algae. Chlorella carries the photosynthesis, provide the food and oxygen to the hydra. Next example is the protista and trichonymph. Protista, termite relationship. Termite feed on the wood, and the protozoa trichonymph lives in its guts. Termite is unable to digest cellulose, and in turn obtain food and shelter from the termites. So there is a various example. The next one is the commensalism. One species get benefited while the other is neither benefited or not harmed. Here is some example is given. The one example of the fishes, the shark and the suckerfish. The second example is the orchid and the orchid. The orchid grow on the other plant, which absorb the atmosphere, which absorb the CO2 and nitrogen moisture from the atmosphere. Yes. Other example is sea anemone. And the clownfish, clown CLOWN. Clownfish live among the sea anemone. Sea anemone has the stinging tentacles, hence clownfish get protection from its predators, which stay away from the stinging hair. Next example is the hermit crab and sea anemone. The sea anemone get attached to the hermit crab. It provides camouflage and protection to the crab. Hermit crab in turn transport sea anemone to the nearest scavenging, that is the cleaner of the state. Some animals, some animal left the dead body and the other, like the hyena jackal, feed on the leftover the animal killed by the other animal. Thank you so much.